Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're addressing a common issue with the Thermomix TM31, the knob that won't turn. Let's dive into the troubleshooting steps you can follow to diagnose and fix this problem effectively. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, a can of compressed air for dust removal. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety while working on it. Once it's unplugged, we can start taking it apart. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the device. There are typically 4 screws here. Keep them in a safe place so you don't lose them. Next, gently lift the top cover of the Thermomix. Be careful as there may be cables attached, so don't pull too hard. This is where we'll check for any visible obstructions around the knob mechanism. Once you have the cover off, inspect the area around the knob. Sometimes, food particles or dust can accumulate and prevent the knob from turning. Use your soft cloth to wipe away any debris. If you see any stubborn residue, a bit of warm soapy water can help, but make sure not to get any moisture into the electronic parts. Now, let's take a closer look at the knob mechanism itself. If you notice that it's stuck or doesn't move smoothly, it might need some lubrication. A drop of food-safe lubricant can help here. Apply it sparingly to avoid any excess that could drip into the device. If the knob still doesn't turn after cleaning and lubrication, the issue could be more serious. It may require professional diagnosis without obligation. If you're unsure about how to proceed, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it hassle-free for you. Just reach out to us, and we can assist you without any calls or travel on your part. Now, let's also check the internal components connected to the knob. Look for any loose wires or connections. If any screws are loose, use your Phillips screwdriver to tighten them. Again, be gentle to avoid stripping the screws. After everything is tightened and cleaned, it's time to reassemble the Thermomix. Place the top cover back on, ensuring all the cables are correctly positioned and not pinched. Replace the screws at the back, and make sure they are securely fastened. Now, plug in your Thermomix TM31 and test the knob. If it turns smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully fixed the issue. If it's still not working, it may be necessary to consult a professional. Don't forget, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know what to expect in terms of cost. In summary, troubleshooting a non-turning knob on your Thermomix TM31 involves some basic tools and careful inspection. Remember to clean, lubricate, and check for loose connections. If you encounter any difficulties, we're here to help with professional services that cater to your needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.